Did you know that there is a way that you can file your 2021 tax return for free? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. In this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. Now, the IRS does have a IRS free file system, and for many of you, this may be new, and you didn't know that the IRS had a system on their website that basically you can file your 2021 tax return for free. Now, the IRS free file isn't new. It has been around for years. And for many years, the IRS has tried to basically develop their own software through their website that people can file their tax returns for free through the IRS website. But many big tax companies have been lobbying for years, and they're actually been paying millions and millions of dollars in lobbying so that the IRS does not launch like their own free tax preparation system through their website. So the deal basically these companies did was, well, we are going to offer free tax preparation services through our websites as well. But what has happened during the years is that these companies, and I won't mention any names, they did offer free filing services through their websites, but they would bury that option deep into their website. So if people went to their website or to their offices to use the IRS free file, it was very difficult for people to find it. Well, the IRS, I think last year, told these companies that no, they can no longer hide this service from the public and that they need to make it more prominent on their website so people know that they have the option to file their taxes for free. Okay, so if you didn't know this, I'm going to show you how you can access the IRS free file option directly from the IRS website. Okay, so basically you just have to go to the IRS homepage, irs.gov. Go to the IRS homepage, and as you can see, there's an option here that says file your taxes for free. You click there and it takes you to the free file page. Okay, and here basically it says you can do your federal taxes for free. Now there are several ways of using this, but the best form is using choose an IRS fee file offer. Why? This is going to take you to a provider that can do your taxes for free. Now, in order to be eligible for the IRS free file, you need to have an adjusted gross income of $73,000 or less for 2021. Okay, so if you meet that requirement, basically you click here, choose an IRS free file offer. Okay, and then what we recommend is that you click here, browse all providers, because if you click here, basically here you can see all the providers that can do your tax return for free, or you can click here, start lookup tool, and it is going to ask you several questions. Okay, so you answer these questions on the IRS website, and the IRS is going to automatically recommend an IRS free file provider based on the answers to the questions. Okay, so you have those two options. You can either choose the provider yourself here, or you can look in this option, start lookup tool, and you can answer several questions, and based on your answers, the IRS will recommend an IRS free file provider. Okay, so now you know if you have an adjusted gross income of $73,000 or less for 2021, you can file your tax return, your federal tax return, for free. And there are some providers that will also provide free state tax returns as well. It all depends on the state where you live in, okay? So now you know you can file your taxes for free. If you have received value out of this video, like it and share it with another person that can take advantage of this information, okay? Now remember that we are a full service accounting firm. We don't provide the free file option through the as other providers, but we can help you with your personal taxes, business taxes, accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, opening up a business. And also remember that we are part of Freedom Group, where we also have sister companies where we can assist you with real estate, immigration, insurance, and financial planning. So we can help you in many, many ways, okay? Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Bye-bye.